Hi, moment 3, company 2 and activity. Present for Juan Sebastián Castro. Okay, the question is, why did you choose the company of the written exercise? How does this company contribute to pollution in our world? Okay, I select this company because it is the largest producer of gas and oil in the world. This means that the environmental impacts are greater. The expulsion of these greenhouse gases negatively affect our atmosphere, producing future climate change that affect the stability of the earth. A possible solution would be the use of fuels with a small percentage of carbon and renewables biomass, and the storage of carbon. This will reduce its expulsion to the atmosphere, generating positive change in the air. The carbon is stored underground, preventing its expulsion. Are some effective alternatives that could be implemented for the reduction of the taste gas for this company. Thank you so much.